Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's Friday. Time for another love bite for you. Let's see what's the most important message that you need to hear today. And Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the message they need to hear the most today. Thank you. So Saggis, let's begin with your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you. And Saggis, if you're new here, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just a small little 9-card spread. I'll leave the links to your other readings if you want to catch those as well. Oh, what's happened here, Sagittarius? No talking, no messaging, no phone calls at the moment, but I do see a 10 of Cups and the Sun here as well. Okay. Queen of Swords, 8 of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Some kind of stagnancy going on. Somebody does want to take some quick action towards you, but they may have been a bit of a player maybe in the past, but they are thinking about it deeply, it seems. They are in solitude, they are in hermit mode. They are thinking of how imbalanced their life is right now. Maybe they were torn between two options or something, and they had an option for this 10 of Cups, something that made them really happy. But now I think they're finding it a bit difficult to communicate. Maybe they are thinking about it, or they're actually in deep reflection of what they've done and how maybe they juggled the situation. Even though heart of hearts, they're not confused anymore. They know their choice. But it seems you may have lost your trust for this person. Let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, Sagittarius, and see where this is going first. If you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be. Sagittarius and their person. Okay. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. And I'll take a couple from here, Sagittarius. All right. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start with your dialogue message cards. The first one here says, I feel your energy and receive your telepathy I reach out and show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I just simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. Like I said, somebody's in hermit mode, maybe in a lot of silence right now. Your inconsistent behavior has caused my family to have concerns and trust issues regarding you. This has now created another barrier for us to navigate and overcome. You knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right, and you let me down. See, I have somebody here who's angry, upset, kind of has lost trust in this connection. I'm your not so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. Maybe from afar, but not talking. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. But right now there's a lot of stagnancy from what I see. Nothing as no one can compare to you. My heart aches for you. You are the love of my life. I will wait. I will wait for you for as long as I have to. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. I have to juggle a lot of responsibilities right now. See, somebody here too preoccupied maybe to focus on what really makes them happy. Maybe they're always hiding their emotions, or just kind of showing a little bit and then running away and not really committing to how they really felt. So, Sajis, if this seems to be your story, let's start with an angel blessing card and see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, practice makes perfect. All right. So, yes, maybe some mistakes have already been made in the past, but somebody is now in deep reflection as to what happened, why didn't things take off, and what must be done. So, don't give up hope, I would say. Practice makes perfect. So, spirit wise, Saji or their person in hermit mode right now. What's this hermit and the Two of Pentacles? What are they trying to balance out? Or is it that they're juggling something? Hermit and the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody is, I think, a bit embarrassed. They're feeling a bit. They feel like they lost. There was a possibility maybe of having a very strong connection here, but maybe somebody here was juggling, and certain secrets have now been revealed, which is quite embarrassing to this person. They don't want to admit to what they've done. Maybe they're just keeping quiet, they're keeping silent. And yes, this person is kind of underground, maybe healing and thinking about what really went on here, or what came out. Certain things have come out now, and there could have been two people, I don't know, because there's a two of Pentacles and a Two of Wands here. So maybe somebody was not making a decision. Maybe they had two paths in front of them and they didn't make a choice or a decision, and that's cost them something wonderful. Yes, this person could have been a player. Let's say I said player doesn't really mean, having sex with multiple people. Sometimes it's just somebody who's not ready to settle down. They're not ready to kind of commit to one thing and say, okay, I'm laying down roots here. They just want to maybe just stay friends or friends with benefits, and maybe prolong giving some kind of commitment here. So Ten of Cups, even though there was a lot of happiness here, if I understand this correctly, it made both of you very happy. There was a lot of happiness, but when it came to stabilizing the connection, this person kind of just wasn't grounded enough, and maybe just kind of left the other person feeling always abandoned, left out in the cold. But I still see a lot of happiness here between the two of you. The Sun spirit, yes, when you're together, it feels like, all my wishes have come true, and the sun is shining. So then, Spirit, what happened here? Why is the Page of Wands in reverse? Somebody is not being able to, if they want to have this clear communication. They have understood who they really want now. I think the clarity has come, but they need to maybe put down some burden before they can actually come forward. That's the reason they're not communicating. The choice has been made. They're no longer confused. Oops, too many cards. 1 second. Yes, they're no longer confused, but maybe fearing that all is already lost. Somebody here is very, very worried that things may have already been lost. Maybe they feel that their person has already chosen to reject them or not be with them. It's a little late in the day that this person who never wanted to commit earlier has now got the clarity, but they are a little worried that they may have already been dropped here. They feel their person just will not accept them back or doesn't trust them anymore, because maybe, yes, there could have been third parties in the past. Three of Pentacles with the Three of Cups. They feel my person is not going to trust me now. They've lost faith in the connection. As much as they want to go back and they want to rectify things with this Queen of Swords, There is a lot of stagnancy at the moment. Eight of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, they're scared. They're a bit scared that the Queen of Swords has come out again. So they feel, yes, this Queen of Swords has a lot of boundaries now, is going to ask me questions, will not trust me. As much as they do want to return, I think there is a little bit of fear of returning because they messed up big time in the past. Yes, now if this person was being a trickster or creating illusions or not committing or having third parties, now whoever this Magician in reverse was is actually feeling like the loser. They feel, I played this game, I wanted to be one up, my way or the highway, or I'm the boss and I will direct this connection the way it has to go. But now all their games, the games that they played, has kind of made them feel like a loser because they're realizing they've lost the trust of the person who was their one, who gave them that happiness, the Ten of Cups and the Sun. So now there's a bit of stagnancy here. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, no new beginning is there right now. At least for this week, I think this person is a bit afraid. They do know they have to come and speak the truth, but they're a bit scared. They feel really, really foolish about the big mistake that they've made in hurting the person who made them the happiest. And right now, they may lack a little bit of courage in offering to say, hey, can you return back, or can I return back? Can we have something going on again? Can we have a new beginning? Can we have a new start once again? This person is a bit scared right now. Strength in reverse, right? Because they're really messed up in the past. So let's see, let them practice and perfect themselves and gather up their energy. But if they're going to come in this kind of energy once again, then I doubt if this Queen of Swords is going to allow them back in. But this person does have a lot of love in their heart. They do have a lot of feelings. They may not always be able to show it, but they do love. Okay, they do want to come back and balance this connection out. But right now, they're a bit afraid that if they come forward, somebody is going to cut their head off. All right, so that's all I have for you. And no wonder this person is saying, I'm your not so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. So they are waiting, I think. They're waiting to gather up their courage to come forward and offer this new beginning, especially because they know that they've really messed up and their partner's upset. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.